If you're looking to build a private affiliate network for premium partners, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to create a high-performing exclusive affiliate program tailored to top-tier affiliates who will drive serious revenue for your business. Stay tuned because I'll also reveal the software we're using and how you can get a special free trial to follow along. Building a private affiliate network starts with choosing the right software. After testing all the most popular options, I found that this software has everything you need to run a professional, secure, and private affiliate network. I'll walk you through the setup process and show you how to get started quickly, even if you've never created an affiliate network before. The first step is defining what makes your affiliate network exclusive. You don't want just anyone signing up. You need to target high-quality, top-tier affiliates who align with your brand values. Think about what would appeal to them: higher commission rates, exclusive offers, and premium products. Set your expectations for performance and only accept affiliates who can meet those standards. This makes your program more attractive and positions it as something special. Next, set up your affiliate tracking system. With the software we're using, this is really easy. You can create custom tracking links, monitor affiliate performance in real time, and ensure that your affiliates are properly credited for the sales they generate. Having a clear, transparent tracking system is crucial because it builds trust with your affiliates and helps you optimize performance. Now you need to craft your affiliate terms and conditions. These are important because they outline the expectations for both you and your affiliates. Be clear about commission rates, payment schedules, and the types of traffic that are allowed. Setting clear guidelines from the start will avoid any confusion down the line and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Once your program is set up, it's time to recruit the right affiliates. Start by reaching out to individuals or companies who are already in your industry and have a proven track record of driving high-quality traffic. It's also a good idea to leverage your network. If you've worked with influencers or partners in the past, ask them if they know anyone who would be a great fit for your private affiliate network. When reaching out to potential affiliates, make your pitch personal. Highlight the exclusivity of your program and make sure to emphasize the benefits of partnering with you, like premium commissions and special offers that they won't get with other programs. Offering something unique can help you stand out and attract the right affiliates. As you start to bring affiliates on board, be sure to provide them with the tools and resources they need to succeed. That means giving them access to your creatives, banners, and promotional materials, along with guidance on how to best promote your products. The more support you give your affiliates, the more likely they are to succeed and generate high-quality leads for your business. Another key to success is maintaining strong relationships with your affiliates. Keep the lines of communication open by regularly checking in, providing performance feedback, and offering incentives for top performers. Building trust and providing value will ensure that your private affiliate network remains strong and that your partners feel motivated to keep promoting your products. Finally, don't forget about the importance of ongoing optimization. Keep track of how each affiliate is performing, identify any areas for improvement, and make adjustments as needed. This will help you continuously grow your private affiliate network and maximize your revenue. Now let's review the key points to take away from today's video. Define your affiliates' expectations, set up a reliable tracking system, create clear terms and conditions, recruit high-quality affiliates, offer ongoing support, and optimize as you go. And before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we're using, which you'll find in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you check it out and start building your own private affiliate network for premium partners today. That's it for today. Take action on these steps and you'll be well on your way to creating a successful private affiliate network that drives real results for your business.